Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Bueno, here to showcase my final project for CS450. This is a very accurate representation of the Sun, Earth, and Mars orbits. The program tracks fairly accurately the following variables. The angle of rotation in regards to the ecliptic, which I'll explain more later. The angular velocity of all the bodies, and the orbit times around the center of the solar system, which is the sun. Now, to start off, if you press 1, you can toggle the ecliptic plane, which allows us to calculate the angle at which the bodies in the system rotate. And with the measurements taken from the program, we can see that the Earth rotates at about 23.5 degrees, Mars about 25.2, and the Sun about 7.2. With that in mind, let's freeze the animation right now. It would be fairly accurate to say that because the starting point was the x-axis, which is this yellow square on the right of the sun, Earth is about halfway through its orbit. So now, if we press 4, we can see that the Earth has rotated about 178 times, which is about half of an Earth year. If we unfreeze the animation and go back to our original starting spot, we can also do something pretty neat. If we press 2, we can jump to the Mars orbit and focus and even zoom in to what Mars can see. Now, if we go back to our original place and say, for the sake of example, when Earth has made a full rotation around the sun, which is right about now, as I froze it, how many Earth days has it been? Well, 364. And how many Mars days has it been? 355. This makes sense because days on Mars are slightly longer than days on Earth. We can also press 3 and check how many times the Sun has rotated. So in an Earth year, the Sun rotates about its own axis about 13.5 times. Something to also keep in mind about the program is the distances between the Sun and Earth and Sun and Mars are ratio-wise accurate to what they should be in the real world, as well as the sizes between the planets. Thank you.